It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Gave that little bitch a little tip. Now she.
Today's the day we're gonna turn this thing into this. Chromed out. I don't even know what it is anymore, but yeah, it looks cool. I've never wrapped a car before. Have you wrapped a car before?
No.
So we're gonna figure it out as we go. We did a little couple test pieces yesterday, and they didn't come out so good, but I think it's gonna look cool. So first thing we gotta do, we gotta make the stuff stick to it. So we got some Simply Green degreaser, and I put it inside a foam cannon. Boom. And all we're gonna do is just spray down this car, wipe it with some rags, and then before we wrap a certain part, we'll just wipe the dust off of it. So. This is crazy bright.
Like a mirror.
You can feel the heat on your face.
Bruh.
Going to Mars. I should just write SpaceX on this. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna write SpaceX on it, take it to Echo Park, and jump it. We're gonna go viral. Not bad. Check it out, we're almost done. We got this done, we got that done. You just gotta get this bumper and put the tints on it. This wrap is actually not the best. It's from eBay, of all places. I spent $300 on the whole thing, and we got extra. And if I went to a got some 3M wrap, I would have spent like $2,000 on this. eBay for the win! As you can see, some parts are just like not sticking, but that's fine. Just don't look too close, it's fine. But honestly, from afar, it's looking pretty cool, man. Look at this.
We're going to outer space, man.
We're going to Mars, boys! Let's get this thing done. The day has come. We got the bumper wrapped. Don't look at it too close because it's not perfect. But it's now time to do the windows. And what do you mean by that, you might ask? I have window tint. That's a one-way mirror. We're going to do the sides first, then we're going to do the windshield, and then I got the top over here taken off because it'll be a lot easier. Do the back windshield and then these little side ones. So this thing looks sick. Going to Mars, guys. We're going to Mars.
Babe, look at my face.
So we're here right now, we're on top of this view, we're getting some photos of the SL. The other window, the back windshield isn't done yet, but the front is. And I'm with my boy Rodrigo. Haven't seen him since high school in like, what, 3 years ago?
Yeah, like 3 years. I haven't seen you in like 3 years.
Yeah, that's crazy. And he has an LS400, he has it on coilovers. And this guy, he was on the freeway. He hit a bump on the freeway. Like it's not a speed bump, it's like a little bump on the freeway. And then his airbags went off. So if that doesn't say static, I don't know what does. We just tinted these right now. You cannot see inside, which is dope. Even with the top off and the sides. Oh. This way you can see though. Like it's just darker than crazy. What do you think about the car?
Oh man, this shit's sick.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118
to get the bag. Ice on my wrist, diamonds move a lag. Never switching position, that's what money be in my bag. Gotta thank God for all the shit that I got, I never had. Now that I'm in it, I got a ball, roll to the wrist, and downs on froze. She wanna fuck, dominoes, taking it down, dominoes. Then kick it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door, hold the wrist though. Don't know where the switch though. Got my pants up, think I need a brain stroke. We keep it lit, I can't let these niggas miss us. Talking crazy, think you might get stitched up. I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guap. I hit the jackpot, and you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots.
Hold up, weed in the whip got rolled up. 32 G's in the ziplock. Hold up, now I'm talking shit. Saw me walk to the whip. Every night get lit. You don't know for the.
Wow, so there we have it. We have chromed out the Mercedes-Benz SL500, and this thing has become I honestly have no idea what I'm doing to this thing anymore, but as long as you guys watch, I'll keep doing some crazy stuff like this. So make sure you hit that subscribe, drop a like if you actually enjoyed the video, and leave me a comment to let me know what to do next for this thing, man. I have no idea what to keep doing, so maybe put some nitrous on it, maybe we can jump it at the Tesla jump spot. Shout out to my beautiful girlfriend that helped me throughout this whole process. She's pretty cool. She has a YouTube too, so I'll drop that down there in her Instagram. What's your name again?
Summer Adventures.
Summer Adventures. So go check that out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Honestly, I have no idea what this is anymore, so stay tuned. Woo!
I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guap. I hit the jackpot.